Well, there you go. Without question, looking at that filler neck, it's hard for you to see this probably, but it's that kind of casing it sits in. It's probably rotted right at the bottom, although it's a little wet up here. You can see it's full of crud. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's full of crud up in there. I'm trying to get to where you can see it. And I'm sure it's rotted out because it doesn't look like it's coming down from there. It's coming from the other side and probably just rotted out in the bottom of this. I'm going to take this apart as it drips all over the place and get a new filler neck for this. Lovely. All right, we'll do that. Let's get it out of there. See what we got going on. So I think what happens with these, well, yeah, you can kind of see it right in here. I'll show you. This is what happens. It's just full of crud inside this plastic piece, which means that metal pipe in there is just sitting in it, and over time, corrodes it. That's a bad design, if you ask me. This should be open, basically down here. Let the rod out. All right, let me get these, and I think there's one in there. You can't see, but there's one underneath. Let me get that plastic cover off first, maybe. See, yeah, I should be able to. Just gotta get this out. Look at that. I keep hitting my light. Move and I hit my light. I'm trying to give you decent light here. You can see what's going on. It's not very exciting, but. Metal clip here. I think that's the only thing remaining here. Oh, yeah, I didn't have to do that. Just slides on there. Let me get that. I'll show you what it looks like. Hopefully you can see that. Full. Just full of dirt over the years. Just crud right up against the bottom of that filler neck and rotted it away. Just bolt there. It's got to come out. Undo these. Undo this and separate it. Just kind of see as we go along, see what it looks like. There's a pipe here that's connected up here, where you can't see, right behind it. It's connected up near the neck, up the top. There's a hose clamp on the other end of that to a flexible hose that this runs to. We're going to have to undo that. Spin this clamp so I can get at it. It's not going to be easy, I don't think. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, that's probably enough for me to get it, I think, and get it loose. Yeah, it is. Let me just get a razor blade and cut it because I'm going to replace it anyway. That'll come off of there. That'll come off of there now. Alright, so this is now separated. Now, can I get it moving? Alright, I think next, I've got to go underneath, disconnect a couple more things. They look like they're holding me up. Down here at the bottom, back in there, is one little bracket tab that's got some lines clipped to it, and I've got to undo the other end of this, the clamp. Hose clamp on the other end, so let me go do that. Undid my clip, got underneath, got the hose clamp on the other end of it, and hopefully you can see this. There wasn't much left of that. Took a little bit. Pair of vice grips and tough to get at, but got that loose, got that off, got it disconnected, so hopefully now I can fish it out of there. We're going to find out. Went in there, so it's got to come out somehow. I got a pan underneath to catch it. I mean, it's in the end of the pipe, which, yeah, it's not insignificant. You can hear it. Got to keep it all in there. All right, stuck in that little thing. Come here. There we go. Yeah, definitely gonna want a pan. All right. Now we'll just fish this out. There we go. Dump it. So you can see that's what rots out. It's just rotting right through it. All that dirt gets trapped inside that protection piece of plastic, which did that to it. You see, the rest of it's in pretty good shape. But that, yeah, not so much. Back in there again. Right, it won't be good if I don't put my clamp on there though. I'm going to go underneath and I'm going to hook up my, kind of hard to show it to you, but I'm going to hook up the other end of this to my flexible hose that goes to the tank. I need to get my clamp though. Okay, that's done. That was fun, huh? Not. Alright, now get my bolts for that. I've got to get this hooked back up. So now I've got enough extra that I can slide this up, which is good because now it's a little short, although it was still way too long. Unless, of course, I need to reverse these because I need more up here. This has got to come down. I think I'm going to have to take these apart and switch them. I'm going to switch this anyway because it's right up against the edge of the wheel well, which won't work. So let me get these out of here. Just a little bit of silicone spray. Better. That could probably work, I think. Yeah, that'll work. To get this out here. I'm still going to have fun with this, trying to force it on there. I'll do the top one first because probably going to be hard. Okay, I forgot my clamp. Now I get to pull it apart again. Just trying not to forget that, but obviously I did. I get to pull it apart yet again and get my clamp on there. Get on there just temporarily. Just get on there. Go again. Good. Alright. Push that up as far as I can right now so I can have more room to work here. Now, put this back on. Oh man, you're probably not seeing any of this. This is probably going to be terrible. Push that on, make that clamp up there. Get that out of my way. That one's on. Now, I'm going to get my other clamp, get it in place here, so I don't forget it, like I just did the other one. Now, let's see if we can get this on here. Oh, I got my clamp all the way back, twisted around here. Can I move it or not? I don't know. I hope so. Yeah, I can. Get that rotated here. Alright. This whole thing has to go down like that. Oh, that's pretty good there, actually. What am I doing up here? Doing good. All right, let me get my clamps in place here. Rest of my clamps. Let's go with this one first. Small one here. That's good, that's good. I'll get my bottom one here where it needs to be. Alright, top one. It's actually facing the right direction so it's not banging up against anything. That'll work. Yep, that'll work. Good. Alright. Tight, 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 and everything. I'll line this up back in here. Oh, drop it. It did not hit the floor. I gotta find that now, 'cause I don't know where it went. That did not make the floor that I heard. Yes, it did. I just didn't hear it. It did make the floor. Let's go back here again. Probably, that light's probably right in your way the whole time. Let's move you this way a little bit. Gotta get back in here, right up in here. Gotta kind of line this up. There we go. Got it in there. That's good. Now, plastic shield, right? Goes here. I think it goes, if I remember right. Let's see if I got this right. Let's see how it goes. It goes like this. I did clean it out. It goes, yeah, it goes like that. This one, I'll have to shift this over just a little. Get that lined up. Back in there. There we go. Now, before I do that, that's actually on the clip. It's like on the clip right here. It's actually where it's supposed to be, right on there. I was going to drill a hole in there, but that where that clip is actually on the bottom of that. I think you just have to pay attention to it every once in a while and clean it out. If you're rotating tires or whatever, just clean the thing out so it doesn't get full of dirt and then rot it out like it did. Oh, try to knock you over. I'll get my air hose. One. I got a spare one because they gave me one. I don't know if that means anything, but they gave me one. Two. There's one up top. This is going to be a fun one here. I can tell already. Oh, I actually got it. Tighten the top of it. Everything down here is done. Get all three started before you tighten them up. And once you have them started, then you can tighten them up. Alright, that's it. Gas cap. There's my light, and done. Well, that's it for the 98 Outback. Filler neck rotted out pretty bad. You can see the rest of it. Up there's pretty good. Right there's pretty good. Down there, yeah, not so much. Just rotted right through it from the shield that's over it. Clean it out every once in a while. Rotate tires, look in there and just clean it out. But not too bad. Was able to get it fixed. Not that expensive a part. Not that hard to do. If you have this problem with your 98 Outback, I hope it helps you out. If you like the video, subscribe below. Thanks for watching.